very definition of a custom home contractor is someone who brings a client's vision to life. The reason that fire and water were so important to our construction in this home is because they were truly the client's vision. He wanted a house that brought the lake in, that had fire everywhere.
Implementing the fire and the water here with the pool was certainly a challenge to put these fire pits. We got one on either side with the water and the infinity edge that flows over and looks like it's just going right into the lake. They're elevated, they're above a basement. It is amazing.
We have 9 fire pits, both inside and outside in this house. And we have water that just flows into other water. At night, you can see a basically unbroken line from the great room, pool to lake. Now, the fire pits in and of themselves are really unique and interesting because this is a modern house. And you don't want to see grills and grates everywhere. And so one of the things you have to figure out is, well, how do you do away with the grills and grates for fire that has natural gas that has to be vented without making it look like they're there? And so we're standing beside a 9-foot-long fire pit from DaVinci or Fire Garden, and they need 9 square inches of venting. Well, if you take a 1/4-inch gap and you string it out 36 inches, 9, 18, 27, 36, you get the venting fully needed. And so you'll notice on the sides of the fire pits, the actual 1/4-inch gap that goes 36 inches. And this creates the venting for each fire pit without actually looking like venting. We got the fire as close as we could possibly get it to the pool, literally right on the edge. The fire pits actually die into the pool. As you walk down into your conversation pits, you have fire in each conversation pit. And then at the lake, you have a circular fire pit that actually kind of brings the lake up to the edge of the fire pit while you're sitting there around the fire. And so the idea is that whether you're in the pool, you're in the conversation pit, or you're down by the lake, there's a feeling of just contentedness, a warmth that the fire brings, while a sense of peace that the water brings around you.